Hi, I'm Anjali Shashikumar. I joined Energytech AI straight after college, and over the years, I've had the chance to grow across different roles, starting as an associate, moving into specialist and SME position, then stepping into a trainer role, and now being part of customer operations team. The journey itself says a lot about the culture here, one that generally supports learning and growth. But today, I'm not here to talk about my role and how I have grown professionally by being part of this great organization. I want to talk about something that truly makes Energytech AI special, the Backbone team. The Backbone team is the heart of our company spirit, who work throughout the year to build a real sense of family within the organization. One of the most meaningful part of my journey has been involved with this team, especially through the outings and experiences we have created over the years. From trips to Goa and Kerala to city outings, movie nights and day-long get-together, Friday biryani, these moments were never just about taking a break from work. What made them truly special was that our families were always included. Seeing teammates' children playing together, sharing meals with colleagues, parents or spouses, laughing over stories we never hear inside the office, those moments changed how we connected with each other. We stopped being just co-workers and became people who genuinely knew and cared for one another. Inside the office too, the Backbone team keeps the energy alive with Friday fun activities, online quizzes, celebration and cultural events like Rangoli competition, ethnic wear, ramp walk, potluck, annual sports and photo booths. That reminds us that relationships matter just as much as the results. Even on the busiest days, we make sure that there is laughter, warmth and togetherness. Being beyond fun and celebration, the Backbone team also leads with heart through CSR initiatives, supporting COVID relief, helping specially abled orphanages and organizing donations. We have helped us stay connected to the community around us and reminded us of the responsibility we carry beyond our work. All of this takes enormous effort, planning, coordination and care. Often happen quietly in the background, but the impact is always powerful. These experiences leave people feeling valued, recharged and proud to belong here. For me, being a part of Backbone team has one of the most fulfilling parts of my journey at Energytech AI. It represents everything this organization stands for: growth, impact and care. I am grateful for being part of the workplace where people are valued not just for what they do, but for who